Yes, sir, he does. He takes good care of them.
Lead him out, Tommy. You got a ball.
Whoa, get him out!
Things get wild on Friday nights in Pasadena, don't they, Sean?
He's followed the law won.
Absolutely.
I think he needs that big horse again. Yeah.
He don't know who to get now.
Rope!
No,
Rope!
don't get another rope. Jack Stinnett trying to lead him in there.